Okay, so from this model, I have already attached the alignment there, right? I have attached the alignment there. And then this one is also a sample alignment, but I use the construction polycurve here. Okay, you can also use the construction polycurve, but it will be best if you get the alignment from the other software that who really do the alignment, especially for the alignment, like Civil 3D, Open Roads, maybe Trimble Business Center. So they can create the alignment and then you can bring the alignment inside Tekla structure. At the moment, I have this one already here, set it up. So what happened is, we are going to use this one to add, okay, if you notice here, this is a curve one, and then I'm going to add a bridge deck on this curve. So this is a curve one, and then it's a bit, something like, there's a little bit of elevation. Curve and a little bit of elevation here. So now, what we're going to do is this. We are going to create this profile inside the bridge creator. So, under the menu, you will find the bridges. Okay? Select the bridge menu and then click on the bridge creator. Okay? Click on the bridge creator. So at the moment here, on the bridge creator, it's empty. Okay? It's empty. But I have some settings inside, but we are not going to use that one at this point of time, but we are going to use the empty one. Okay? So everybody got this bridge creator? Okay? So now, this bridge creator can read the alignment. Okay? Can read the alignment. And then, from this alignment, we are going to create a key section. The key section is this shape. This is only half of the bridge deck. Okay, we are going to follow this. I don't know if this dimensions is correct, but anyway, let's follow this one for the meantime, and let's see what will be the outcome. Okay, now you kindly follow my lead here. Okay, first is you need to select the alignment, read the alignment. So here, again, click read alignment. Can you click read alignment? And then here, pick, and then select this alignment, and then middle button of your mouse. Okay, so you click that alignment. As you can see here, there's an arc blue solid. Arc blue solid. So that one, and then hit OK. Maybe you put here model origin and then hit OK. There you go. So as you can see here, the alignment file is this. The main reference line is the arc blue solid line, which is this one. Okay? This one. Now, the next thing is, I want you to go to this more. Okay? So, remember, when you read the alignment, and then you right-click, and then pick this one and right-click, and then you can see here, or middle button of your mouse, and then you can see here, automatically it will come here to the main reference line. Now, for this alignment, I want you to show the chainage, because this one is curved, right? And then it's elevated. So I want to see the chainage. Okay? Yeah. So to add the chainage, click more, and then go to manage. Click more, again, select click more, and go to manage. Right? And then draw chainage on alignment. So kindly click the chainage on alignment, and then now pick the alignment, this one, and then middle button of your mouse. So as you can see here, if you zoom in, it will show you the chainage, 350, 360. This one is in meters. So you can see now that there is a dimension there in meters. Yeah? So that is the chainage. Okay, are we clear on this? Did you able to show the chain age? Okay, again, to click the chain age, select more, and then go to manage. Draw the chain age on alignment here. Draw the chain age on alignment. Click, and then click on the pick the alignment and then middle button of your mouse. Right? Once you click the middle button of your mouse, this should appear. So who didn't get it? Yeah. So everybody got the chain age? Okay, now that you have the chain age, the next step is this. Don't close your bridge creator. You can only close this alignment. Just close this one. Now, what you can do next is this. Maybe let's save this one. You type here, maybe you type your name. You type your name here. For me, I will type here workshop sample. Okay, save. Okay, so meaning, under this workshop sample, I have already read this arc solid line, and that one will become my, what do you call that, alignment. Now, the next step is, I want you to add this key section by simply clicking the plus sign. Plus sign. So under this plus sign, so if you notice here, there is an empty one here, empty. Okay? This empty, choose this empty, and then click edit. Again, plus sign, select the empty, and then edit here, edit. You get it? Okay, click on edit, and then it will show us the edit cross section. So meaning here, this is where you're going to plot this, to create this cross section. And then you will notice here that the arc blue, that one is your reference on the alignment. This is your that one for a simple example first. Okay, now, the first thing to do here is, I want you to, okay, here, if you notice, there is an alignment proxy. Okay, select the alignment proxy and then click on this arc blue. Okay, and then, sorry, yeah. Okay, this is already alignment proxy, okay, arc blue. By default, it's already there, right? Then, I want you to select outer face, select the outer face, and then, under this P1, kindly select the arc blue solid line. Okay? Can you do that? First, you have the alignment proxy, then you category select the outer face. And then, under the P1, select the arc blue solid line. And then, after that, select this one, plus. There you go. So meaning, my first point is 0, indeed, and then that one is exactly in the position of the alignment, 0, 0. Okay, that's the first step. Now, the next step is this. Okay, so meaning this one is the 0. This is the 0. Okay? Now, the next step is, once you add this one, the next is, go to this P1, and then select the number 1. Here. Select number 1, select the 0, okay? And then, once you select the 0, then we have to add now the DU and DV. DU and DV is something like the horizontal and vertical position. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay? So, meaning, this one is the horizontal. So, meaning, from here, I want to measure 4 meters. So, horizontal, 4 meters. But in the vertical, is there any changes in the vertical? No, because it's a straight one. So meaning, DU is 4 meters, DV is 0. Okay, look, let's see what will happen if you type here 4 meters, and then here is 0. Okay? Then click plus. So look, that is my number 1. Here. This is my 1. Okay? So I have point here. 1. Get it? Now, the next one is how to get these 2. So for 2, again, select the P1. Select the P1. Okay? And then, the DU, horizontal, does it go left or right? No. So make it 0. Now, the vertical, does it go up or down? Down. What is the value? Negative 200. So negative 200. And then add. So now you have that shape. Okay? It's something like, it's a basic thing. It's like a coordinates. Okay? We just need to understand what is the value of this DU and DV. Now, for number 3, we need to add again a point on the P1, select the last one, which is 2, and then for DU, it go left or right? Left. What is the value? 1,4. So you put here negative 1,4. And then for the V, go down, right? Negative 150, and then add. See? I have now that shape of the wing. Okay? Then let's continue. Okay, same thing. Go to this P1 and then select the last face. Because the last face is always your reference. Okay? So, P1, here. Going to the left again, negative. And then going down is what? Negative 1,8 minus 350. 1450. Negative 1450. And then plus. All right. Okay. Now, so that one is number 4. For number 5, where's number 5? This one, there's no number 5 here. Huh? The number 5 must be here. So what will be the number 5? Okay? The number 5 will be 4 and then negative 4,2. And then the DV is 0. And then plus. See? Okay? And then for the next one, you just repeat. You just repeat the value. But positive, negative. Okay? So let's continue on this one. I guess you already know how to do this, right? So you just continue on doing it. So number 5. Then going to the left is 500. Negative 500 again. And then going up is 1,450. 1,450. Positive. Plus. Alright? And then 6. So here, going to the left again is negative 1,4. And then positive 150. Plus. And lastly, 7, 0, 200. Plus. There you go. So now, I have already the shape of the bridge there. Okay? I put it as simple as this. Simple one. For those who finished already, so look, to change this corner to make a fillet, okay? So what I will need to do is to select this tree, select this. Remember in our modeling, right? In our chamfer, right? It's the same. So select this one and then on the top part, you can see the radius. Click the radius. Once you click the radius, what will happen? See, something will happen like this, right? But don't worry, because here, you need to select the rounding chamfer and then put here 300 and then enter. Again. Okay, again, I will repeat that one, but at this point of time, in number 4. Select the number 4. Okay, look, select the number 4. Check the radius. Select the rounding chamfer, the last one. And then add the value to the radius, 250. Enter. So now, I have the radius on that corner. Okay, I'm going to repeat. Select the number 5. Select the radius. Check the rounding chamfer and then 250 and then enter. Select the number 6. Again, I'm repeating. This is the 4th time that I'm repeating this. Select the number 6. Click the radius. Select the rounding chamfer. Type here 300. Enter. And done. You have already the curved corner, round corner of this profile. Okay, so done? Okay, once it's done, then let's add now the profile or the face, the inner face. The inner face. Because this one is only the outer face, right? So we need to add this face so that there will be a void inside. So in that case, what we need to do is to go back to the category. Go back to this category and then select the inner face. Alright? Select the inner face. Select this inner face. And then, I guess I need to click add. Yeah? So as you can see here, the inner face is there in the 0, 0 as well. Again, select the inner face and then click this plus sign once. So, look, the inner face is there. But, if you notice here, this inner face, I need to change the reference. This one is 0, but the dV I want to put here negative 200. Okay? So, that is your inner face, 200. Okay, I will repeat again, Delete. Huh?
Point number 6, we talked about radius.
What do you mean, it's already radius already. Because 7 and 8, that one was done already earlier. 6, the last is 6, then I put the radius. Okay? So now we are already on the inner. Actually, the 6, 5, 4, and 3 are the same thing. You just need to add the radius. Okay? There's no special on that. Alright? So once you have the radius, then it's time for us to add the inner face. Okay? For the inner face, again, from here, from the category, select the inner face, and then click the point. Alright? And then, okay, again, number 6. Okay, select the 6. Wait, something happens now. Now it's distorted. Okay, alright. Type is 1, okay. And then, Outer face is radius. Okay, there you go. Now, let's go. Okay, now we have this one, the outer face. So let's add now the inner face. So select the category, inner face, and then select the point, and then okay, let's do that one again. Okay, select the inner face, and then plus. Okay, so once you add this inner face, you can see here, there is an inner face here. So the location of the inner face, it's on 0, 0. Okay, but I need to move that one negative 200 below the arc blue. So here, negative 200, enter. Okay, now I can start adding the point in the inner face by simply selecting this one, 0 inner face. So the first move is 1/8, 1/8, and then this one is 0 and plus. Okay, the second one is select the inner face one, and then this one will be 500, and then this one is negative 150, and then plus. So there you go. All right? And then next, inner face 2. This one will be, okay. This one is a bit challenging because I need to get that point, the dimension of that point. So here, if this one is, I don't know what, okay, that one is 500, right? So meaning here, I can put here negative 500 as well. Sorry. Yeah, negative 500, and then the depth is 1/8 minus 200. Let's see, 1/8 minus 350 minus, let's say 200 is also the base one, 1,250. Okay, so here minus 1,250, and then plus. Okay. So if you notice here, it's not parallel, but anyway, it's like what I've said, it's a plus minus. Maybe I can put here 450. Enter. There you go. And then here, so the position of this one now is what's that? 450. So meaning, if I use this one, let's put it here. So here, this one is 450. So that we just follow that point. Okay? So if I put here 1/8, negative 1/8, let's see. The third inner, if I put here negative 1/8, let's see what will happen. 0 plus. Okay, so it's not 1/8, maybe 1/850. Okay, 1/850. So meaning here, so this one is 1/850. So times 2, how much is that? 3700. Okay, so we put this one negative 3,370 like this. Okay, there you go. So now you can select now the inner, which is now, what is the other? Negative 450. Negative 450. Thank you. And then positive what? 1,250. Enter. Plus. And then lastly, it will be 500, right? And then 150 plus. There you go. Okay, if you want to put a chamfer here, then you can also put, let's say, here I'll add maybe 150. And then this one also 150. Actually, if you have already all the dimension, it's easy. The difficult thing is something like to plot that one. But if you have the AutoCAD dimension, then you can just simply put those dimension and then print it and then plot it here. So once it's done, kindly put a name. What is the name of this? Huh? So let's put it this one as KW deck. KW deck. Okay? And then hit OK. And there you go. So here, you need to save this one as KW deck. Save. Don't forget to save. So now this is our profile. And then if you want to edit anytime, you can just simply click here and then it will go back to this. If you have any shape that you need to modify. Okay, so who wants help? Yeah. So now, I'm going to put the name KW Deck, okay. So this one, I save also KW Deck, and then hit OK. So look what will happen. Once I click OK, it will show the key section here. There you go, see? I have now the key section. At the moment, if you notice here, the position of my key section is already on 0, chain age. Here, there's a 0 chain age, right? In case that we want to start the chain age on the, let's say on the mark of 200, okay? In case that we want to put the chain age on 200, then here, change this one to 200. All right? And then here, you put the shape name. Let's say the shape name is called KW deck. And then the material is, select the material that for concrete. Select the material for concrete and then the name, let's say bridge deck. And then the class number 1. And then the start from the chain age, I can put here 200. Okay, where do you want to end the bridge? So maybe 200, maybe I have 100 meter, 150 meters or 100 meters, then we put here 300. Okay? And then save. Again, from here, once you click OK, all right? And then, as you can see here, it will add the key section on this area. Change the chain age to 200. Change this one to 200. Okay? And then, name the shape. You put any name on the shape. And then you put the material. Put the bridge deck. Okay, sorry. Bridge deck. And then the class number 1. And then here, under the chainage station here, you put 200, the start, and the end is 300, okay? 200 and 300. So once you've done that one, it's time for us to save, and then now create. Okay, create. Click create. Let's see. There you go. See here? You can see that this is our bridge deck that created here. Okay? If you notice here, I need to select this one, and then how many sections do I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sections. Correct? So what I will do now is, I'm going to add here. So add from library. Copy. Click copy here. There you go. So this one now, it will be 235. Okay? You get it? 235. Now, next, I'm going to add again, copy. This time it will be 245. But 245, but this one I need to edit and then change this one to deck 1. Okay, deck 1. So now, how am I going to modify this one? So here, this 4, I need to change this one to 3,000, correct? So at the moment, here, this one is 4. Where is 4? Okay, 4. Negative 1,450. So maybe what I will do is I will just simply change this 1,4 to 2,4. Is it okay? Or what is the value? So if 3,000 minus 350, how much? 265? 2650? 2650. Okay, thank you. So here, I will put here 2650, enter. Alright? And then 6, it will be 2650. Okay? But if you notice here, the number 3, this one, the number 3, we need to move down also. So what is the difference between the 2650 and 1450? How much? 2650 minus 1450. 1450. 12000. Okay, so meaning 1200 plus what is the value of 3? 1200 plus 1250 is will be 2450. Okay? 2450. Okay, good. Then here, the number 5 will be 2450. Okay, thank you. So meaning, we changed. Okay? But again, make it sure that your name is different. Deck 1. Okay? And then click OK. Alright? So now, see? That is the difference now. Deck 1. Now, for the deck 1, and then here, we can now add again, copy. This time, it will be what? 255. 255, correct? Okay? And then, select this one. Select again the first one and then copy so that it will be below. This one will be 265. And then copy again. This one will be, okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, this one will be 300. Okay? Save. Let's try. Highlight. Okay. Click highlight so that it will highlight the deck. And then modify. This time, we modify it. Whoa. Okay? So it's curved. It's curved. And then it's tapered. It's curved and it's tapered. Okay, look. If I'm going to modify, if I'm going to modify my alignment here, let's say I select the direct modification and then select the alignment. You can see here, I can move this alignment on the other. See? I will change the curve of my alignment on the other side. Okay, look ha. If I change the curve to other side, look what will happen. It doesn't change. Let's see. I'm supposed to change that one. Okay. Why it's not changing? Redraw. Okay, there you go. So look, I changed the position of my curve to the other side. What I will do is from the bridge creator, I highlight. Look, I highlight again, highlight, and then modify. So look at this one. See, it will transfer to that alignment. So no need, again, you have already all the setup. When there is a change on the alignment, all you have to do is to highlight and then modify it, and then it will follow the alignment. So whatever setting you created here, it will follow in the alignment accordingly. Okay, undo. Sorry. Delete, and then I can create. Yes. Save. Okay. Now, I don't think we have much time. Let's try if this one works for you. I have another two alignment here. Can you kindly select? Can you try if this one works for you? Go to the bridge creator. Go to the bridge creator. I have set up something here. Look for the number 4 TSB pier crosshead. Number 4 TSB crosshead. Select that one and then create. So look, it should create this one. Okay, again, from the bridge creator, kindly select the number 4 pier crosshead. Number 4 pier crosshead, select, and then create. So it will show you the pier and the crosshead here. I don't know if this one works because earlier there is a sketch solver that it's not installed in the computer. That's why I don't know if that one will work in your computer. But again, the idea for this one is to put more details on the viaduct. Then after this, kindly select the viaduct segment and then create again. So meaning, on the crosshead, it will add the viaduct segment using the bridge creator. Can you check if this one works for you? Doesn't work. Okay. Okay. But this one doesn't work. Okay, I can pull down this one and then look. You will notice that there is, can you look for the color? Select the component. Okay, select the component. Here. Select the component here. And then look for the color red. I have a marking there, color red. Select these two element. Select the two element. And then right click show only selected. Okay? So this one, I isolated these two segments. Why? Because I'm going to add more details on this. Okay? How much time do I have?
We still have about 15 minutes.
Okay. Okay, did you get this one? I have only 15 minutes now. So, here, look, if you double click on this, it will show you this viaduct component wherein you can put here yes, and then here yes, and then modify. Then it will add this PTN here. It will add the PTN. Okay? Again, select, double click on this one, and then say yes, and then modify. So now you will have a more detailed viaduct. Okay? Now, after this, I want you to open this application and component and then go to the TS Bridge CC. Here you will find that there is something like some component here that I have created. First is, let's add the blister or let's add the PT pipe. Make it sure that you select the objects in component. Kindly select the objects in component. Yeah, select the objects in component and then select this PT pipe detail and then click on the viaduct. Click on the viaduct. Then you can see here, there is a PT pipe detail here, right? And then next is select the blister. Select again the viaduct and then it will add the blister there. See here? The blister. Next, you can see here, there is also a track work here. Track work. So if I click this track work, I need to select the main part, this one, select the main part, and then pick this 2 point, 1, 2. Then it will add the track work with the rebar. Same thing with the other side, select the part, and then pick the point 1, 2, and then you have now the track work with the rebar. Next, select the this one, mid box rebar. Select this one and then pick this mid box to add the rebar as well as this one. And then next is shear key. Select the shear key and then click on the viaduct. There will be a shear key here. Viaduct, there will be a shear key here as well. And lastly, select the rebar. Select the viaduct and select the viaduct and there will be a rebar here. Okay? Now, if you may ask, hey, how to do this one? This one, of course, we need to set it up because per project, of course, you have a standard typical shape of your viaduct. You have to set it up. Once you set up one, and then you can use that one for all. And you can make it intelligence as well, like what I did here. If you notice, this one is totally different size. This one is 3050. This one is 2650. So meaning this one is different size, but the connection, the reinforcement automatically adjusts to the length. Okay? But of course, in a project, you need to do some preparation first before you move on. Because if you don't do the preparation, every segment you have to deal with it. But in this case, in Tekla Structure, you can create some components that you can use for the whole cycle of your project. So now, once I have this one, sorry because I don't have much time now. So what I will do here is I'm going to run the numbering. I don't know why my connection was... Okay, run the numbering. So once I add the numbering here, So what I can do next is I'm going to create the drawing. So look, Control 4, I'm going to select now this and this. I select the two and then open the master drawing catalog. And then here, select this TS segment. Okay, TS segment, and then create drawing. Okay, create drawing. So click. Now, the system will create the drawing for us. Imagine for one viaduct, how much time it will create, how much time you need to create one drawing. This one, I select two viaduct, and then I'm creating 4 drawings. 2 molds and 2 rebar. Okay, so now, let's see. So here, select. As you can see here, there is a drawing now, viaduct. So I don't have the template. Okay. So here you have all the dimensions, the sections. Okay. And then for the next one, next. Do you already? Yes. Sorry, wait. Let me open the other drawing. So select this one and then open the viaduct reinforcement. So here, this one is the reinforcement drawing. Okay? So this is the reinforcement drawing. You have the bar bending schedule automatically created by the system. Okay? Next. Okay. Maybe previous. No, that is the last drawing. Why? Let's open the other drawing. By the way, the drawing will be shown here in the drawing list. Okay, here, this one. Reinforcement. There you go. So this one is the other drawing. So you have the marking here. If you want to select all the markings, and then you can use the annotation alignment. See here? You can put it this way. Right? So let's say this one, you want to align. Something like this. Right? Here, alignment. Again, this one is your rebar. If you think that rebar is something like fouling here because of the spacing, you can change this one, adjust the location here. You can adjust that location. And then the presentation of the rebar, it can be full rebar, or if you want, this one is only in the middle. See here? This one is something like, it's easy to change the, let's say for example, instead of showing only the middle bar, I can show everything by simply changing this one to all. Modify. See? It shows all. But again, sometimes you need only the 2 bar in the middle. Yeah, 2 bar in the middle, or bar in the middle of the group. So only 1 bar. Yeah. So much clearer. Okay? And also, now if you want to get the, here, remember these are all the reinforcement, right? Under the report, you can see that there is a rebar bending schedule, A4, PDF. So option with associated viewer. So look, if I select this one, and then create from selected, so look what will happen. It will create the PDF. See here? It creates the PDF report. So these are the bar bending schedule in the PDF form. You can see the graphic and then where it is connected. Okay? Any question? By the way, if you notice here, I have something like a sample here. You can also use this from your side. Here, I created something like number one curve, and then create. It's already set it up. So look at this. Because you can put also some accessories in the bridge. Let's say a lamp pole. See here? This is one. Okay, and then here, let's say I'll put a slab, create. And then if I want to put a rail and post and lamp pole, look at this. Here, see? You can also model this using the bridge creator. You can even model a shark. Mommy shark and baby shark. Okay? So, yeah, again, that is the Tekla structure using the bridge creator to create a different type of bridge.